Hello, today we are going to talk about e-commerce. By definition, e-commerce is a commercial transaction of buying or selling online. In other words, e-commerce or electronic commerce is the purchase of goods or services by the internet. It's important for marketers to understand e-commerce because most of the transactions are made online. Also, e-commerce marketers spend time and money attracting users to their sites and converting those visitors to customers. Web design is so important. The more engaged a user is, the more he or she is to make a purchase and return to your site. For that reason, most marketers would agree that users want their electronic commerce experience to be fast, dynamic, responsive, and safe. For example, when you click on the webpage of Pennyuse, you will find too much content and contrasting graphics of trees, which makes a poor e-commerce web design. One technology-related tool that is impacting contemporary e-commerce is mobile technology. Today, most buyers access the web through mobile devices more than computers. They use their smartphones to buy items online. Buying and selling products or services using a mobile device is considered mobile commerce. For example, Apple Pay and Starbucks. The Starbucks application for iPhone is the quickest and easiest way to pay for your coffee. No wallet is necessary. Starbucks has gained so much traction with this mobile payment application. One international issue that is impacting e-commerce practices is payment process. The world doesn't run on Visa and MasterCard. For example, German shoppers use bank transfers. Japanese buyers want to pay cash on delivery. French customers use other ways to pay. In Africa, only 15 to 20% of residents have bank accounts. For that reason, it's so important to consider the payment process if you want to go internationally. It's so important to have an online presence. For that reason, our agency will apply new e-commerce marketing knowledge to help our client with creating a professional web page, maximizing the power of social media to engage an audience, and start a blog. We understand that no online presence could mean the death of any business. For my video production, I use Moovly, a platform to create animated videos. Thank you for watching my video. Here is the list of my resources.